I'm doing. Come on. More aggressive, Sean. I'm kind of staying out there. Get in there. Yeah. Pop that jab, Zach. Pop that jab. Get in the middle of the ring. Let's go. In the middle of the ring. Yeah, keep working from there. Easy kick, Sean. Keep going, keep going. That just happens out of nowhere. Nice, Sean. Keep doing that. Kick side. Get in boxing. Background kick all day, Sean. Put your hands on it, Zach. Come in with hand combination. Yeah, keep doing that. Got it. You look good. One minute. Push it, guys. Now, quick countdown. Okay, quick countdown.
5, 4,
Push it.
3, 2, 1. Time.
All right, who's out? Sean? Who's out? You want to say in? It's up to you guys. Come on. It's up to you. You're the jiu-jitsu. I'm in.
I think Sean got more shots.
Sean out. Me and Zach. All right, ready? Ready for the next one? Ready? No, we don't need to do that from now on. We just need to do this. You guys don't record that anymore, okay?